Welcome to a Teaching Math special. In the second class, you get to choose how you want to finish Chapter 8, by a regular test or a project. In this video, I will show you my own take on the project. So let's start the video and be creative. In this chapter, you have learned to calculate the volume of different 3D shapes. By doing this project, you will show that you have achieved the learning goals for this chapter. The project consists of two parts, with a vlog or a video as its end product. You see, you need to build a castle, city, villa or mansion from cardboard or paper, which should at least contain one of each of the following. At least one cube, a cuboid, a pyramid, a cone, at least two cylinders, and at least two prisms, one triangular and one with a cross-section of 4 or 5 sides. But as I don't want to restrict your creativity to paper, you could use other materials. Maybe you want to recreate your dream mansion in Minecraft, or maybe you have a 3D printer at your disposal. The possibilities are nearly endless. During the building process, you need to film or photograph everything and turn it into a vlog or video. How you do it is up to you. Do you want to make an instructional video, just as I do? Or do you want to make a cringy vlog? Or maybe a time-lapse of your Minecraft mansion? The choice is yours. Part 2 starts when you are finished building. When you are finished, you also have to calculate the volume of all 8 figures mentioned above. In the video, you have to tell me which formulas you are using, how you found the dimensions of each shape, and you have to explain to me how you calculated the volume of at least 3 of the shapes. The volume of all 8 shapes have to be calculated on paper. Show your formulas, the units, and make sure you write down all steps neatly. Also, don't forget to show me the calculations. So, with the instructions out of the way, let me show you how I did this project. Hello everyone, this is how I built my own mansion for Chapter 8. I hope you enjoy. how I made my mansion. I actually enjoyed making this build. It's been a while since I did something like this. Now that part 1 is complete, let's start part 2 of this video, calculating the volume of the shapes. I calculated the volume of each shape using the formulas taught in chapter 8. In this video, I will explain to you how I calculated the volume of the cylinder tower room, the pyramid roof of the garden shed, and the prism sign building. The tower room is a cylinder, and to calculate the volume, I use the formula pi times radius squared times the height. The diameter is 5 centimeters, meaning that the radius is 2.5, and the height of the room is 4 centimeters, meaning pi times 2.5 squared times 4, which is equal to 78.5 cubic centimeters, rounded to 1 decimal place. The roof of the shed is a pyramid, and to calculate the volume, I need to use the formula 1/3 times the area of its base times the height. The base is a square of 4.5 centimeters, so 20.25 squared centimeters. The height is 2.5 centimeters, measured from the base to the vertex, meaning the volume is 1/3 times 20.25 times 2.5, which is approximately 16.9 cubic centimeters. Finally, the sign building. This is the base, and this is the height of the prism. This is important because to calculate the volume, I need to use the formula area of the base times height. So the height is 6 centimeters, and now I just have to figure out how big the base is. This is the base, and these are all the measurements. By using framing, I figured out that the area is 13.5 squared centimeters. And this means that the volume is 13.5 times 6 is equal to 81 cubic centimeters. The volumes of the other shapes I wrote down in my notebook. You see? Beautiful! And now you know how I made my project. If you have any creative ideas or grand designs, this is the time to fulfill them. I look forward to seeing your projects and the videos you will make. Don't forget to speak proper English. Make sure you write down everything before handing it in. Good luck and have fun!